the wishbone this morning. We're interested in the diagonals of the back, the twisting ability of the back. There's the vertical lines of muscle and tension down the back. Also, there's a lot of diagonals. Let's do the wishbone. All right. Forehead on back of hands. Rock the hips side to side. See what you've got. Knees bend. Push right elbow down into the mat. Both feet go a little over to the left as pelvis rolls, rolling onto your left front pocket. Gentle on the glutes. The torso twists to roll the pelvis to push the feet over to the side. Then lowering down slowly. The back opens up over the front. Begin to press your right elbow down into the mat to lift your right thigh and right front pocket away from the mat. As pelvis rolls, feet go over to the left. Upper leg hovers over the lower leg. Lower down easily out of that. Take your time. Really go slowly. You can amplify the movement by having the knees further apart. Then it becomes the wishbone. Let's try that again, going over to the same side. Right elbow pushes down. Where do you push the front of your body into the mat to make it easy for the pelvis to roll that tips the legs to the side? Right back pocket pulls to the left elbow. Slowly, let the long diagonal of the back open. As the knees touch, the lower legs could windshield wiper across to the other side. Just indulge in that beautiful lengthening of that diagonal back line. Feet come back up to the top and pushing that same elbow down again. How high up the side of the belly are you pressing into the mat to find this torso twist? The diagonal of the back tightens. Right back pocket toward left elbow. Just lower down out of that. The diagonal of the back opens. Feet windshield wiper across to the side. Push the tummy down into the mat, higher and higher up the side of the belly. Just lower down out of that. The back opens up over the front. Again, feet windshield wiper across. Rock the hips side to side and see what you've got. Are you more supple? Let's do the other side. Knees bend, bottoms of the feet shine up to the sky. Left elbow presses into the mat. Push the right front belly down into the floor. Lower down easily out of that. Left elbow presses down into the mat. Pelvis rolls. Left leg is hovering over the right. And the weight of the feet just help take you over there. It's easy. The diagonal of the back tightens. Connect the dots. Lower down out of that. Go slowly. Slowly. Front pocket slowly touches down. Ankles and lower legs, windshield wiper across. Left elbow presses down. Pelvis rolls, feet go to the right as you press right front belly down into the floor. Back pocket to that opposite elbow. Lower down slowly. Breathe into the whole line. Not stretching it open. Gently breathe into the place that doesn't know how to open. Elbow pushes down, pelvis rolls. pressing the front of the body down into the mat. Where's the perfect place to press front of body into the mat, to roll the pelvis, to twist the torso? Balancing up on the front of my body. Lower down slowly. How does more and more and more of you touch down onto the mat? Control the descent. Breathe the long diagonal of the back open. The feet windshield wiper across to the side. Now observe. Rock the hips side to side. See what you've got. Are you more supple? Is your back relaxed? Lie down on your back. Scan through the back of the body. Pick one shoulder and travel through the back to the opposite hip. Pick the other shoulder. Travel through the back to the opposite hip. Does your brain know that territory? Look at the mind. Are you more calm with a relaxed back after doing the wishbone? See what you've got. I'm Eric Cooper, InspireSomatics.com. Thank you for practicing with me today. Blessings on your journey.